how to use a try statement to handle multiple exceptions. So there might be a case where you have a code and you have multiple exceptions within that code. And to handle all of these exceptions, you can use the try except block. So for that, you can the syntax is try and statements, and then except and whatever your statements are. Now till here, this is the normal try except block. Now from here you can write as many except blocks as you want. I'll write 3 except blocks here. So in this case, each except block you can have a different exception handled over here. I'll see an example of opening of file of accessing a file. Now suppose I want to read a file with open file.txt as f. Now for line in f, I want to print each line. So the first exception that I'm giving is file not found error. So to handle that exception, I'm going to print could not find the file. The next exception that I'm using is OS error. So these are all inbuilt exception errors, exceptions, exception name. So this is so I'll print error reading the file. Next exception I write is some other exception which was not already in which was not due to the system's fault. So I'll write an unexpected error occurred. So when I run the code, now I don't have this file in my directory, so it should say not not found the file. And when I run this code, it obviously gave us could not find the file. So this is how different exceptions could be handled within the same code using a try except block in Python.